All right, so I'm back here at HQ. I got a neighbor that wants to change the leaf springs on his Tacoma. The problem is, it's leaning, and I think that leaf spring over there may be bent. He's pretty sure that it's bent, so we're gonna put some stage 2 springs on here. Oh, let me show you guys. There we go. Nice, and some nice polyurethane bushings. So we're gonna get started on that. Should be a quick and easy video. I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to replace it, and just for entertainment only. I mean, you can follow along if you want to change your Tacoma leaf springs, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace these, and let's get started.
I gotta record it. I'm just picking up the wheel
All right, so first thing we're gonna do is take off the strut here, or the shock. We're gonna take the shock off, and Rogelio's gonna take off the U-bolts for that. So let's grab that real quick. Oh, that's the impact one? Oh, my bad.
You okay with that big thing?
Well, not to that top one. And I just want to be out the way. Okay, so we're just going to remove these 2 bolts here. Once I take the pressure off, I'm gonna push this bolt out. This one will stay in there until I totally remove the leaf spring from the shackle. Huh. Yeah. And this is a gas tank too. All right, well, that's going to be interesting to get this bolt out, because it stops right here next to the gas tank. Let me see. Oh, it's just the splash guard that's there. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna have to take the pressure off, basically lower it, and then push this this bolt out. Okay, since we have the tension off the leaf spring, so I could go ahead and back this bolt out. You don't need a hammer or anything, you just back it out by hand. Just like that easy. All right, then I'm gonna move to the back. Okay, go ahead. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah. Please spare down. I want to take the spare down. It looks like I'm gonna have to. Oh, fuck.
Get the air out. Just a couple inches.
Yeah, just a couple of inches. Damn, Gina. All right, well, I gotta take the spare down. Be right back. All right, so we gotta drop the spare to get that bolt out and then put it back in. Now I did wiggle it out, but it's no way I can get it back in there. So we're gonna just lower the spare so we can put that lower bolt back in, the shackle. But what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and remove the leaf spring. All right, so I have the new leaf spring already set up, so we can just drop it in, but I need to get the shackle off of that one. I got him backwards. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good there. All right, so the second from the last, basically almost reverse, just about. So we got the leaf spring in place. You just need to get the shock back on and the U-bolts. So I'm gonna put the bump stop in first and then place the U-bolts on it. And then this, I have marked the front because you always want to make sure you put it back on the right way, the way you got it off. Alrighty.
Got it.
Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and struggle bus with the strut here. I mean, the shock. I don't know what I keep calling it, strut. All right, so the next thing you have to do, we can't torque down the leaf springs when it's up in the air because it'll bind up. So what you want to do is lower it back down, make sure the wheels on there tight, and then we're just gonna, you know, jump on a little bit, make sure that the suspension is gonna settle, and then we can go ahead and tighten it up and torque it up. All right, so now we can go ahead and torque it all down real quick. That's the second one. All right, guys, that's it on the Tacoma. Got the leaf springs on, got them all torqued down to spec and marked, and also the test drive, absolutely perfect. It doesn't make any sounds, doesn't squeak, rattle, or roll, but the thing is, it's got the old man emu on it, and it's working perfectly. If you guys have any questions about this repair, please hit me down in the comments. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.